All right, so example 1, we need to graph this line. Step 1, solve for y. This doesn't say y, it says 2y. Okay, so how do I get the y by itself? I need to get rid of that 2. If you remember, I'm going to divide every single thing in this equation by 2. So now I have the y by itself, which is what I want. I'm going to separate my fraction, because that's my slope, from my x. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and it's positive. Okay, so now this is in slope-intercept form. I've solved for y. Okay, so every single time, you're going to write out what is your m. It's 3 over 2. You're also going to give me the directions, okay? This is positive, so I'm going up and right, or I could go down and left. Doesn't matter, whichever way you want to go. And then my b value, my y-intercept, I'm losing my voice. My y-intercept is positive 3, okay? Positive 3. So how do I graph it? Step 2 says put the y-intercept on the graph. This is the y-axis. My y-intercept is positive 3. So I'm going to go to positive 3 and put a point. Just practice doing that. If you can't remember everything else, just practice. Where do I start? And then we'll build up to everything else. Okay. Now my slope is 3 over 2. So I'm going to start from this y-intercept. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and to the right 2. I don't have room to do that again, you guys. Okay? I can't go off the graph. So I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to go the other way. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, and left 1, 2. Now I can see the line. You're going to carefully use a ruler or a straight edge. You're going to add arrows. That's the line. Y equals 3 halves x plus 3. Let's do the next example together.